everybody, it's Carmen with Family Handyman, and today we are going to build a storage building block table, one you can make with any DIYer in your home, young or old. Here we go. For any project build, the first thing you want to do is start out by painting. Inside is green and the outside is white. And then I started to rip because the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to build a box. Essentially, we're making two towers to create the table for our base. The most important part about the shelving is that we want to make sure the spacing accommodates the plastic bins. When I was putting these pieces in, I just put a piece up here. That was my 1.5 inch space. From the front, I clamped a piece. I butted up against that. That was where that railing went. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put in these little stoppers on the back of the bins to prevent the bin from falling out. Bring this stop to the back, and now I know that that's exactly where I want all of them to sit. It'll be really fast and really easy to replicate the measurement and get the exact placement. All right, so we've got the bases done. I've now placed the top. I've not secured it because I need to detach it. Again, I need to create some access panels. So, calculated where the bin lands, centered that, which leaves me an opening of 8 by 10, which is perfect, whether it's an adult or a child, to be able to get their hand in there and dig around and still access most of the bin underneath. We're going to create faux little handles with some little holes that you'll be able to put your fingers in and pull that out. And now we're going to trim out the front with 1 by 2, so we've got a nice frame around our top. And then we're going to put a face frame all along our front. The trick is with plywood, you don't want to see the seams. So after the cutting and the nailing and the screwing of all the wood comes the paint, and the last detail is putty, caulk, and touching up. Don't be surprised if you have to go back and forth to get those crisp lines, but truly the finish of any piece of furniture is in the application of the paint. Take your time, do it right, and your furniture will look great. So the very last detail for our building block table is a place to put our building blocks as a design element on the side of the table. I've done this on both ends. Every time you come to the table, you've got a new design, which means maybe it looks like a new table. But anyway, we're almost done, and the details are what is the fun. So there you have it, a building storage block table. It all came together, literally, the pieces came together. For this and more, visit us at familyhandyman.com. We'll see you next time.